This 2021 Jayco J Flight SLX 7174BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 21 feet 8 inches in length and features sleeps 5, awning, refrigerator, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, spare tire kit, air conditioning, stovetop burner, LP detector, microwave, auxiliary battery, and 20 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Jayco J Flight SLX 7174BH is 3,075 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.